Well, we're gonna break a little more ground a little faster today. Making room for new garden space. So we're putting in chicken manure and some steer plus, and then we got some leaf mold. We soaked the corn overnight, so they're all nice and plump. So we're gonna go plant some corn now. So we put in corn, and then we topped it with some compost, and we're doing another row. So we're using the grass that we scraped off the top to plant the corn to make a big row. We're gonna just stick a ton of potatoes in there, put some compost on top, cover them with straw, and have potatoes later this year. We got 6 rows of corn going in, doing the last 2 right now. So if nothing else, we've made a mess. Six rows of corn in. Gonna do the potato mound next. Just watering everything in. We're gonna have to deal with that grass in the middle of these rows, but that's okay. This is just a rough down and dirty. Let's get 6 rows of corn and a big row of potatoes in.